Welcome to the Reviews.com YouTube channel. On this video, we will share with you what we liked and what you should consider before getting Spectrum Internet. When comparing every major internet provider, Spectrum won our award for Best Cable Provider. And here are the 4 major reasons why. Spectrum offers fast-speed internet for less than $50 a month. With an incredibly fast 100 megabytes per second, you can stream 4K videos on your smart TV, play online gaming without lagging, and browse the internet all at the same time. Second, if you are tired of your provider, Spectrum will help cover any early termination fees up to $500 without the obligation of a new contract. The third major reason, contrary to other internet providers, Spectrum doesn't cap data usage, so there won't be any slowing down on your internet speed. Last but not least, Spectrum has wide availability across the USA with service in 41 states, covering major cities such as Austin, Dallas, LA, New York, and Orlando. Before getting this provider, however, we would recommend considering these 2 things. Spectrum was scored with an average customer service, as they are more likely to experience communication issues, billing discrepancies, and technical failures. Additionally, they only offer 3 high-speed internet plans, so when it comes to choosing, you won't have as many options as with other providers. Our final verdict? We thought you might ask that. Spectrum is a promising cable internet provider that is available in most states and offers high-speed internet without any data caps. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please let us know in the comments down below or check out our full review in the description. To stay in touch with our next reviews, subscribe to our channel. If you're all about comparing providers, here are 2 other internet provider reviews you can check out. Until next time!